Choosing the right mobile network in the UK can be tricky given the competitive offerings from the big four providers, which are Free, EE, O2, and Vodafone. Now, each network has its strengths, whether it's coverage, speed, customer service, or pricing. Depending on your priorities like budget, data needs, or international roaming, one may suit you better than the others. Now, let's go ahead and break down what each provider offers and where they excel or fall short. Now, let's start off with Free. So, Free is known for offering generous data plans at competitive prices, making it popular among heavy data users. They were one of the first to launch 5G in the UK and focus on value for money deals with perks like unlimited data options and decent international roaming. Pros, affordable unlimited data plans, good 5G availability in cities, includes data roaming in many destinations and no extra cost. Strong in urban areas. Now, setbacks, coverage, and signal strengths can be patchy in rural or remote locations, slightly slower average speeds compared to EE. Customer service reviews are mixed. EE is often being praised for having the UK's fastest and most reliable network, especially for 4G and 5G speeds. They benefit from extensive coverage, making them a favourite for users who need consistent connectivity anywhere. EE tends to be a bit pricier, but justifies this with superior network quality and extras like Apple Music subscriptions bundle in some plans. Pros, best overall network coverage across UK, including rural areas, faster average download speeds and wide 5G rollout, good customer service and reward programs, EE extras, and access to BT Wi-Fi hotspots nationwide. Cons, plans tend to be a bit more expensive than the competitors. Data rollover is not always available, and some users find extra perks limited to premium plans. O2 has had a strong reputation for customer service and solid nationwide coverage, though their speeds can be slightly behind EE. They have a popular rewards program which is called Priority, and it's offering early access to events and discounts which appeal to younger entertainment focused customers. OT balance price and network quality well. Pros, reliable coverage in most urban and suburban areas, excellent customer service and helpful app. Priority rewards program adds good value. Flexible plans of data rollover options. Cons, speeds aren't as fast as EE or Vodafone in some areas, and 5G rollout is still catching up to EE and Free. Slightly more expensive than Free for similar data. Vodafone offers solid coverage and competitive 5G speeds with a broad international roaming network. Great for frequent travelers, they also provide a wide range of plans, including family bundles and business options. Vodafone's network is reliable, but some users note occasional coverage dips in rural regions. Pros, wide international roaming and travel-friendly plans, good 5G speeds, and steadily expanding coverage. Variety of plans, including shared and family options available, decent customer service, and useful app. Setbacks, slightly inconsistent rural coverage. Pricing can be on the higher side for large data plans, and network reliability can vary depending on your location. Okay, so Free is the budget-friendly choice for heavy data users, mostly in urban areas. EE leads in network speeds and coverage but costs more. OT offers strong customer service and good perks, ideal for those valuing rewards and reliability. And the last one here, Vodafone. So Vodafone shines for travelers and families with flexible plans and broad roaming. So your best pick depends on what you value most: speed, price, coverage, or perks. For overall reliability and faster speeds, EE is the most cost-effective unlimited data. Free is great for rewards and solid service. O2 is solid and for travel and family plans, and Vodafone works well.